guys! Welcome back to my channel, Gerald and Travels Live. Today guys, I'm here now in the park. Yan, dito ako sa park. And I wanna share with you guys my experience. And before to share that guys, I wanna say thank you very much muna sa taas. Ayan, so he gave me the more energy and healthy body to reach it's what my goal. And ngayon nandito na po ako sa platform na ito ng live and a small YouTuber guys. Yan. And also thank you second to my family. It's very supporting. They are very support me. It's what I need to do in my life. They're always there to support me every time kung ano man yung gagawin ko guys. So thank you so much sa aking buong pamilya guys. Yan, super supporting. And then I love you. Third po ay sa aking mga kaibigan. Sa aking kaibigan na si Kung Yang. She's a very supporting kahit na medyo makulit ako guys sa sa group. At saka sa aking kumaring Jenny Racondo, yan, they are very supporting sa aking ginagawa sa aking buhay. Ayan. I love you guys. And also, thank you so much sa aking mga viewers guys. So, napakadami nyo na guys na nag-support. Super supporting sa aking channel. Simula nag-start ako sa platform na to guys. So, I know some of you guys, nakikita ko is very supporting sa akin. So, thank you so much. Ayan. So, isa-isahin ko guys yung aking mga very supporting on my channel. I always saw first Kung Yang there to support me. And I saw there J Mark TV. Yan. Thank you so much for you guys. And also, Anna Len Talosa, yes guys, yan, thank you so much. Ate Monica is there. And then, Sir Remy Jensol, yan. Si Remy Jensol guys, Remy Jensol, he's very supporting, always, he's there. Always watching my videos, yan. Thank you so much for your support, sir. Thank you so much po. Ayan. And also to all our different group guys, my team Malakas, yan, thank you so much guys, all of you to support me simula nung nag-join ako sa team nyo guys. So thank you so much din po sa inyo. And to my another team, friendship team guys, yan, thank you so much. I love you and you support my channel too. Yeah, thank you so much. And another team again, Team Superstar, yan guys. So thank you so much. So I'm not here guys, all of you guys, I'm not here in this kind of a platform, yeah. Part of the YouTube team guys, if you're not there to support me. And ayan, sino pa? Yan, sa lahat po ng mga admins, yan, thank you so much sa mga, mga mahahabang pasensya. Ayan. Sa mga mahabang pasensya nyo guys, sa aking At saka salamat sa inyong mga supporting also, sa pagtsatsaga sa mga another small YouTuber guys, na katulad ko. Ayan. So, thank you so much. Because, parang 2 days ago, I received a message from the YouTube team that Geraldine Travels Live, congratulations, you're part of the team. Ayan, yung mga ganun yung mga sinasabi nila guys. And na-receive ko guys sa email ko. So, expecting ko na rin siya kasi bago ko yun siya na-receive yung email ni Lolo. Talagang win-workout ko din yung iba dun. Workout talaga. At saka napuyat ako guys. Yan. Super puyat ako. Nasira na yung mata ko dahil lagi akong puyat guys. Sa lagi naka-join sa Premiere. Ayan. Tapos everyday na sa Premiere. Kahit na alam ko na busy ako sa work guys. I'm always busy at work here. every day I'm working, 6 days in a week I'm working. But I try my best to, to support to the other small YouTubers, to the premiere, para, and, ayan, kaya bumibili na kami ng mga gadgets ni Kung Yangs, kasi nga, it's not enough for the other group for the premiere, kaya nag-add kami ng another gadgets again, ayan. Tapos, ang na-experience ko guys, nung nag-premiere, bago pala ako pumasok sa larangan ng platform na to guys, sabi ko, parang madali lang or parang mahirap, parang ganon. Pero in the first na nagpasok ako, parang na-enjoy ko naman guys yung pag-vlog, ayan. Na-enjoy ko naman yung pag-vlog. Hindi ko nga alam kung okay siya, kung tama yung ginagawa ko or what, ganon. So parang in-enjoy ko lang po because I wanna share only it's what I doing every day. Gusto ko lang po i-share kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko, ano yung mga gusto kong gawin sa life ko, ano yung mga ano yung ginagawa ko sa buhay ko every day. Yung ano yung mga routine na ginagawa ko guys. I'm happy to to share you guys kung ano man yung ginagawa ko sa buhay ko guys. Ayan. At saka I love making some videos and vlogs and send to my for my page, for my Facebook. Parang ganun lang yung gusto kong gawin guys. So, and share to the people also. It's what I'm doing, and I'm happy for that. And of course, if people need the help, and I can help also. So, makakatulong naman ako sa iba na may nangangailangan, yung gustong yung pwede siyang tulungan, yung nakikita mo na walang kakayanan, yung parang wala siyang kaya, so yung parang tutulungan mo siya, ganon. So I'm here now guys in this platform, so I want to kung mag-grow siya, ayan, I want to say you guys to help the people, That's why I'm here now. I'm here. This is the one of the reasons. That's why I'm here on this kind of a platform, because I wanna share and I wanna share my blessings to the other people, something like that. That's not for my own intention. Yes. So this is for the other people. I look at you as need the help. So you need to help. I wanna share my blessings to the other people. I cannot do. They can afford, so I wanna share this to them. This is for you guys, and ayan, so this is it. I reached my goal here in the platform. My channel now guys is I monetize on my channel now like 2 days ago, and yeah, I'm so very thankful to the YouTube team that they gave me the chance to work with them in this channel, and I wanna try my best guys to do this. Go, yeah, fight. It's now, and I know now in the the situations here on the YouTube, like a YouTuber, it's not easy guys, but I wanna try and try. And try. Kasi yung iba kaya naman, and why not hindi ko kaya, diba? So I just wanna try if I can, and then I can help to the other people. I share what is my blessing, what is my blessing now, and I wanna share to the other people also what my blessing. Yan. And ano po ba yung mga gusto nyo kong i-share sa inyo guys na para ma-reach mo yung na mamumuni ka, ganon. First, ang anakin lang kasi pag nag-start ka pa lang, talagang hard work ka talaga guys. Yung baga parang hard work mo siya. Yung parang mapupuyat ka na nga, puyat na nga kami. Diba? Mapuyat siya guys, pagod, ayan, tapos kailangan mo rin mag-support ka, ayan, and then Minsan may time na nag-edit ako, nakatulog na ako guys. Yung phone ko, bumabagsak na lang yun sa mukha ko guys. Kasi nga, antok na ako. So habang nag-edit ako guys, may experience mo guys, yan siya. Talaga. Na-experience ko yan siya na mababagsakan ako ng gadgets ko sa higaan. Kasi pagod na pagod ako, ganun. Ayun. And then, mahabang pasensya guys. Pag sa larangan ng ganitong platform, parang kailangan is mahaba po yung pasensya natin sa pag-vlog, pag-i-edit. Mahaba yung pasensya, tsaka matyaga. Ayan, matyaga tayo para mamuni. Ayan, ganun. Pag namuni ka naman na guys, parang pero i-workout mo pa rin. Paano mo yan siya i-grow, di ba? Kasi ang daming kailangan i-reach mo to, i-reach mo yan, ganun. Kasi tsaka sa ganitong platform, kailangan ka-kind ka din. Tsaka maging respectful ka rin in other vlogger, ganun. Magalang, andyan pa rin yung kindness mo sa ibang tao. Even you are in this platform guys, in a YouTube team, kailangan din yung nandun din yung ating respectful to each other. Yes. Ayan. So, hindi ko pa alam guys kung ano pa yung share ko pa guys. Ayan. So, nandito ko guys sa park. Ayan. So, thank you so much. Ayan. So, namuni na. Ayan. Muni na guys ang aking channel. Meron na po siyang now, meron akong 1,060 subscriber guys. So, thank you so much for all my subscribers. My 1,060 subscribers. Yan. Thank you so much. And thank you so much all of you guys. And ayan. And please always support me guys. Ayun. Andito ako sa park. Day off ko kasi ngayon, holiday ko. So, I wanna make this video guys to you I wanna share only what is my experience before I'm muni, and ayan. Ano ba? Tapos, basta i-ano lang siya, i-workout siya. Kahit na nandito na ako sa platform, so kailangan ko pa rin siyang i-workout. Yun. Para, ayan. Sa ngayon po, wala pa ako natatanggap na, pin, galing kay Lulu. So, hindi ko alam kung kailan niya papadala yung pin sa akin, guys. Wala pa akong pin. Ayan. Ayan, guys, for today. Iyan muna yung aking pa-thank you sa inyo. Please support guys my channel, and if you are new in my channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and huwag mo na rin kalimutan guys i-hit ang notification bell to you notified to the other video guys coming out. So thank you so much now for watching, and I hope you enjoying watching me here on the park. And medyo umulan na siya guys, so thank you so much for watching, and bye for now, and I see you in my next video. Bye!